Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, this is going to be a quick unboxing of some Christian Louboutin shoes that I purchased from Harrods. So as you know, Harrods is based in London. I'm based here in the United States, so I had to order them online. Side note, you saw how my box was open? That's how the DHL guy delivered it to me. Like, the top was completely off, and I'm like, is anything in here? And he's looking at me puzzled with his eyes wide. It was just like the weirdest thing, but everything was in there safely. So these are some flats. I have been wanting these shoes probably for, I don't know, maybe a month or so. I just didn't want to get them because of the sizing. Red bottoms are not the most comfortable shoes. I have some and they're not comfortable. However, these are really comfortable, but I couldn't find them nowhere in like the malls to try them on. I'm a 39. My heel is off just a smidge, so I probably would say go up one size just so it can fit perfectly. But overall, I love the shoes. They're a great addition. But yeah, I like them a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye.